Hey Justin, my name is Devin, and you spoke with my business partner Mary yesterday. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her, and then as well as watching this video. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do super easy to beat out all seasons lawn and landscaping in your area. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Reno landscaping. They're ranked right here, as well as they're ranking right here as well, at the third on this organic listings part. So and it's super easy to be there, by the way, and I'm gonna show you how in a second. So really quickly, I know you're probably sitting there wondering why I'm making you this video. Well, it's super simple. I found out by really that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't have time to learn how the internet can really bring them more leads, more clients, and more business as well. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who is and who isn't an expert. So I found if I make these attack plans and just give them away for free, some of these owners I send them out to go and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. Like it's no shame at all, no harm, no foul. My only goal here is just educate you and just give you some good information. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So obviously we have your guys' site pulled up right here. The first thing I'm gonna go over here is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages because in their eyes, not only is it going to keep customers on your page longer, it's going to keep them on Google longer, which ultimately gives Google an opportunity to sell ads and make money on their end. So Google's crawling websites, trying to find who has the most content, the most authoritative content to keep customers on pages longer. So that's why they really like to see the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. As we come over here to your competitors, All Seasons Landscaping, we see that they don't really have much content on their page. They probably have like 200 words, 300 words on here. So they're definitely not reaching the authority mark when it comes to having that content on here. And I'll show you why they're outranking you here in a second. But yeah, my first tip would be just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, and as well as adding in keywords. So the keywords is equally as important as the content. So a keyword is what people will be searching for when they're on Google. So for example, Reno landscaping, this gets 880 clicks a month. So if you can dominate this keyword, that's going to bring you in a lot of traffic alone. So finding in those high volume keywords locally, really, and then adding them into your homepage, this will allow Google to send customers to your site. So when people are typing in these keywords, you want Google to revert back to your page when people are searching for these stuff right here. So that alone will bring you in a lot of traffic to your website. So the second tip I want to go over today is called backlinks. A backlink is basically when another website is linking to you, driving traffic. This is very, very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant companies. So they'll give you a lot more power for using other landscaping companies or other contractors rather than using like Pizza Hut that's linking back to your site because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. There's a lot of free there's a lot of free backlink checkers out there. You don't have to use this one. But as we see, you guys only have two different websites. So referring domains, two different websites sending your business website out a total of 4 times, which is a backlink right here. As we hop over to All Seasons Landscaping, we see they have 155 different websites, giving them a total of 805 backlinks. This is definitely beatable. And also, you can see the amount of keywords they're using, which is helping them get pretty good traffic to their website. Again, definitely beatable right here. Definitely something that we want to go after. But as far as backlinks are very easy. We can just come in here and we can see exactly where they have their website listed in. And we can go out and copy these guys. If these links was good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So what you want to do is you want to come into all these websites. A lot of these are directories, which are free. Some of these are blog posts, and you want to just create an account or leave a blog comment and then drop a link referring back to your website right here. So you want to do that for all these different websites they have right here. There's 4 pages of them. You want to come in on all these and then drop links back to your website. And that's what's going to get you ranked right here between the content with the keywords and those backlinks. That's what's going to get you ranked down here on this organic listing section right here and really just dominate this first page of Google. If you want to be ranked right here in this GMB section, the Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. Citations are completely free, and all you need to do is just have more citations than these guys right here. A citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory, and a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see here, All Seasons has 50 citations. Reno Green Landscaping has 59 citations. You guys have 12 citations. So similar to the backlinks, we can come in here and see exactly what citations and directories you guys are using. And you should come out here and copy all these directories they're using. So you want to go get Facebook, Bing, Yelp. You want to list your website, your business name, address, and phone number, and all these different sites. And if they have 50 citations, I would suggest going out and getting 100 because you really want to dominate this area. So that's pretty much all I have for you today. I tried to be pretty quick and pretty brief. Just hope you found this information useful. But with these three tips, that's definitely going to have you dominate in this Google Map Pack section as well as this organic listen section. Again, my name is Devin. Quick recap: what we went over, just getting those 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, as well as adding in those high volume local keywords that you guys want to be ranking for, and then going out and getting those backlinks. All these backlinks these guys have on their website, and then coming in and grabbing these citations for your site as well. So again, my name is Devin. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mary. My cell phone number is 775-402-2885, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.